What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, there are websites using AI that can make you money, even while you sleep? And no, you don't need to be a tech genius or invest thousands of dollars to get started. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 websites that pay you using AI, real tools, real methods, and real earning potential. So grab your notebook, because this could be the start of your digital income journey. First up is Writesonic, an AI writing platform that's perfect for bloggers, marketers, and freelancers. Here's the hack. Instead of writing blog posts or product descriptions manually, you use Writesonic to generate content in minutes. Now go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour and offer AI-assisted content writing services. You complete work faster, deliver quality, and get paid without burning out. AI does the heavy lifting. You take the credit and the cash. 2. Pictory. Coming in at number 2 is Pictory.ht, a text-to-video AI tool. If you've ever wanted to make YouTube videos but didn't know how to edit or record, this is your solution. Just paste your script into Pictory and it automatically adds visuals, stock footage, background music, and voiceover. Start your own faceless YouTube channel or offer video creation services to content creators online. People are earning thousands per month doing just this. Canva AI. Designing content just got easier with Canva's AI-powered tools. Whether you're creating logos, social media posts, or pitch decks, Canva's magic design and text-to-image features can save hours of work. Use these to offer graphic design services without even knowing Photoshop. Small businesses and influencers need content daily. You can fill that gap using AI and make real money. 4. Kuki Chatbot. Next is something most people overlook: AI chatbots. Kuki, formerly known as Mitsuku, is a smart chatbot you can integrate into websites or apps. Learn the basics of integration, no deep coding needed, and start offering chatbot setup services to e-commerce stores, coaches, and businesses. Customer service is going AI, and you can be the middleman making it happen. Last but not least, Play.ht, an AI voice generator that creates studio-quality voiceovers. You don't need a mic, a quiet room, or expensive software. Use this tool to create voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, audiobooks, or even corporate training videos. Upload your samples to Fiverr or Voices.com and start earning from your AI voice business. So there you have it. 5 AI-powered websites that are helping people like you earn online right now. The best part? You can start most of these without spending a dime. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try first. And if you want more AI plus money-making videos just like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you never miss an opportunity. This is Digital Dollar, where smart people learn to earn smarter. See you in the next video.